Let me talk about this little small powerful flashlight I have here. Now it does have a clip. It's rechargeable type C. If you guys can see, it's right there, type C. It's all well protected. It does have a UV light, and then just by clicking it once, you can see everything turn on. And I just clicked on by accident the UV light. It does have a little heat when you do that, so just be careful. Don't leave it on too much. Charging is very simple. It's going to last you for many hours. Now, besides the high beam, besides the blue beam, the blue light, if you guys can see that, the UV light, I'm going to show you the regular light. And the regular light, it's really bright. I mean, it's so bright. I'm not even looking at it. I'm just looking at the camera, so I won't get blind with the blindness of the light. If you hold it down, it does it lower, right? If you guys can see that, and then you could click on it, and they click on it, and it just goes brighter. So if you want to do it lower, just hold it down and do it twice. It does it bright. Now you can feel the heat of the light. That's how powerful this light is, and this guy could highlight in the entire mountain. That's how powerful this thing is. It does have a battery, but it's a lithium rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about removing it. But if you ever want to carry extra batteries, you could actually remove from the back and take it out and just replace it. Very simple. I like the whole setup on this small petite tactical flashlight that you guys see in here. So you can carry this pretty much anywhere if it's in the palm of my hand. The UV light's a plus. The extra lighting for emergency, it has an SOS light too also. Very powerful lighting effects. If you guys can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 lights in here, including the UV light. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, let's take a look at the light itself. Look how bright it is. Little petite little flashlight.